No, that's not
Oh my.
Oh my!
You can't reference the movie and then not
Oh
sing
my!
along.
Yeah!
Lions and tigers and bears.
Oh my!
Tigers and bears.
Oh my!
You're hired.
Thank you.
You must stand here until your guide comes.
You actually British?
To our left, you will see the sponsors of Milltown. They have all sacrificed greatly for your enjoyment.
Wonder why Nick was hearing, are you afraid of the dark?
Oh!
Come try my delicious cakes. They're to die for.
Wow, this looks great. Let's go eat here.
Great. Looks delicious. Alright, what would you like?
Evolved monkey bread, mutant banana bread sounds great right now.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. Huh, smells delicious too. I should try it first.
Okay.
Whoa!
No! Ow! What are you doing? What have you done? No! Scott, no! Not here! Not now! My only friend, why? No! No! Tell me to please! My only friend is dead!
Listen, I can't cook him into a cake. If he's a perfect
Good afternoon, Chef Calvin. This is the Middlesex County Health Inspector. Heard many complaints about this place. I'm gonna have to perform an inspection. Got that? Let's see. What do we have here? Tragic. This is tragic. Dead body on the ground. Not good, sir. That reflects very poorly on your restaurant. Clean that up immediately. Don't let that happen again, okay? Let's see. What else do we have here? Ah, God! Blood stains. Disgusting. Many blood-borne diseases can be spread that way. You should know that. You're a licensed chef. Yeah, I need to see your kitchen, okay? Yes, okay, hopefully I can do better. My God, this place is disgusting. Total rat. Absolutely disgusting. There's rats on the floor. Disgusting. Plus human organs everywhere. Sir, I have to close this place down. It's unsatisfactory. Got that?
Down! Scram! When they draw it off on monkey bread, you hear me? Die!
Yes, scram!
You save yourself!
I'm watching you.
Remember, there's no fishing.
Leave here.
It was awfully brave of y'all to come out here. Something evil lives here now. Can you feel it? Y'all heard the stories about them young kids fishing and getting pulled into the ocean? No? Well, it happened, and his friend stood right on that pier and watched him struggle and scream for help. Well, I just stood there and did nothing for him.
Dude, we should get out of here. It's really creepy.
I know. I can't believe we didn't do anything to save him. It was like I was paralyzed, just watching him drown.
Dude, there was nothing I could do. I can't swim.
I know. Did you see the size of those waves? They were huge and the ocean was so rough.
Dude, I swear at night, I can still hear him screaming in my dreams.
I know. How about right as he got pulled under and he started to yell, "No! No!"
Dude, what was that?
Stop playing. Not now.
Dude, do you see that?
Guys, this isn't cool. My parents are gonna kill me if they found out I was out here.
What are you scared? Just throw your line over. Stop being a baby.
You know, so many screams still come from under the pier at night.
You're an idiot. That happened years ago.
Yeah, but the two friends died months later and off the same pier.
Ooh, spooky.
Guys, who was that?
I bet it was just Davey's mom calling him home to ground him.
Shut up. Hey, I think there's something down there.
I told you it's awfully brave of y'all to come out here. Do you feel the evil now? Let's be gone before you take a swim.
What are you young ladies doing here at this hour?
Nothing. I think we're just gonna go now.
No! Right this way! Come and get your fortune told.
Yeah, I've always wanted to get my fortune told. What's the worst that can happen?
Okay, yeah, I guess.
Come, girls, come. Sit and I will tell you your future. Let me see your palm.
You go first. I don't want to do this.
I see danger in your future.
Danger? What do you mean, danger?
Your lifeline is very short.
I don't like this. I think we should go now. I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. Ow, you're hurting me!
That's not the only pain I see in your future. You shouldn't have come here. Something very bad is about to happen. You're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. You're gonna...
Try your luck. Everybody gets a prize. Silly little wheel.
Looks like we got a winner!
Hurry up, please. You're holding up the line. All the way up. Welcome to Unlucky Leo's Arcade, where the prices are low and your chances are high. Step right up, step right up. Try your luck at our claw machine. Find your future consultant.
No, he doesn't bite. Let's go.
Nothing will happen to you.
I am the great soldier. I will tell your fortune. Step forward to learn your future. I see danger in your future. The near future!
What a stupid fortune.
These things never come true.
Can't believe you wasted a fortune.
Who wants to try their luck?
I'll give it a try.
Me next.
Hurry up, I want to play. You take mine.
So you and me. Go to the left, go to the left, right,
Right.
left, left!
I got it.
I hope we win the seal.
Why is there a foot?
You want to go, bro?
For a treat tonight. Right this way. A little closer. Hello there. Don't listen to anything she has to say. It's all lies. None of it is true.
I thought I was the last one left. Nobody's been back here since that girl went missing. Have you seen her? I didn't think so. Come closer. Let me tell you a secret. Some folks say she's been trapped in that mirror maze this whole time. She's looking for a new sacrifice so she can be set free. I keep hearing awful noises from there. I'd be very careful if I were you.
Don't listen to the old lady. She's lost her mind. Right this way. Let's get you some tickets. You three in the front, closer.
Tickets! You won't want to miss this. Lose your ticket and lose your life.
I heard them. Better get out of here. Oh dear. It seems like one of your friends is going in that awful thing.
Ignore her. Do you have your tickets? Right this way. Quickly. A little closer. Enjoy your show.
Oh my god, a fun house! I love my dress. Hello? Hello, little girl. Who's this? A little closer. Why? I have this for you. Really? Oh my god! I can't open it! I can't open it! I don't know what to do! I can't open it! No! Help me! No! Let me.
I'm free! I'm free! Is he real? What are you looking at? Nothing to see here. Move on. Goodbye.
Give me my tickets back or you'll be next! Now get out! Get out!
Welcome! Welcome to the Ham of Horror! Step right up! Step right up! Don't be shy! You might just win a grand prize!
No, I know that.
Clowns! Pick my victims! Would you like to play? No! Too bad! Victim number 2? Victim volunteering!
Actually, I didn't volunteer.
Awesome!
Hey girls, step right up. We're not short enough to reach the top.
I bet we are.
Oh yeah? Then prove it.
I bet we're stronger than both of you combined.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I will. Plus, it looks easy.
Have fun. I hope you reach the top.
Come on.
Dang it! Go get your loser prize!
Maybe next time if there is one.
What is this?
You know, I think I'm gonna go.
It's your turn.
I don't wanna play.
Just play.
Okay.
Ding, ding, ding! Great job! She'll love this!
The game is over. Get out!
My boardwalk. Twin girls took this game way too seriously and it had a dramatic ending. But don't worry, it's all fixed.
Hey, you in the tutu. Great introduction, but you know what Cow Splash is? Never mind, I'll ask somebody else.
She should have done that. Let's go, let's go!
You know what? I feel bad.
Step on up, step on up! Come play Killer Splash with a choice prize that's to die for! Welcome to Killer Splash! Try to fill the clouds mouth as fast as you can! Good luck! 2 more
man. Can we play?
You two in the back.
Whoa, take a look at this game. You want to play?
I don't know. It looks kind of weird.
Come on, look at those prizes. You want to win those?
What did I just say? I don't want to play.
It's the best game out of all. Let's play.
No, let's play some other game.
Come on, this is really cool. We need to play.
No, I don't want to. Wait,
Wait, what?
Told you
Why
so.
are you leaving me? Don't leave me!
I tell you.
I don't want to play this game anymore.
Unfortunately, you don't have a choice. Hopefully you don't scream as much as the last one, because the more you scream, the more it hurts!
Please give me another chance! Wait, no!
Heads up! It's time to move on! Don't stray too far from the path! Go! Now! You want to end up like this?
Welcome to Zoltar's Wrath. This is the story of the Ween family. Please follow me. The souls are restless tonight. Please come in and gather around. Move forward. Please come in. This is Mr. and Mrs. Ween. Please listen to their story.
This is our story. Years ago, while visiting this boardwalk, Zoltar predicted our murders. His fortune said we wouldn't survive the night.
Zoltar is evil. Stay away. Be very, very careful. Where's Tommy? Where's Holly?
My babies! My babies!
We heard that our children, Holly and Tommy, are here tonight. We are looking for them.
Tommy's my babies. They're here. Come on,
Look!
look!
Holly, Brad, I want to go. I'm scared. I'm not trying to die next like Mom and Dad.
Yeah, Tommy, I don't want to be here either. Brad, we want to leave.
Well, if both of you stop, it's fine. Let's just go and see what happens.
I don't know about this. You know what happened to our parents.
Okay, it's just a boardwalk. Let's just go.
I don't know. It's not even plugged in. It's not going to work.
Alright, well then I'll plug it in and we'll see if it works.
Welcome to Zoltar. You will not live to see tomorrow. You will join your hands tonight. Consider yourselves warned.
Yeah, I told you it would.
Receive your fate below.
You won't live to see tomorrow.
Holly!
Brad, no! Tommy, no! Holly, no! Holly!
Leave! Get out!
Leave! Let's go! Keep walking!
Come on, please, Phil. Anyway, well, this starts with, I mean, fun. Trust me, there's a lot of them. Anyway, concept is pretty simple. Pop a balloon, win a prize. And that is almost it. Go out there and say hi.
Hi.
Joe here will give you a participation award if you that's up for anything. Because, we want everyone here to feel like it. Anyway, we want any volunteers. Anybody?
Nick, you're also go first.
Perfect.
Same. Here, let me just stretch out. Now, it's important to watch the master, and the most important thing is...
Yes.
I'll get it. You'll see. Oh, what? Oh, my gosh. Hey, you can't say anything. I'll get it this time. You win. Oh, what?
Oh, that's just too bad.
What
Wait, what are you guys think my friend?
I didn't ask
What are you guys think my friend?
Hey,
What are you guys think my friend? What are you guys think my friend?
Calm down. Oh, shoot, look, squirrel.
Where?
Here. Good job, you got one. Joe, where's the prizes?
Sorry, sir. What?
where's my friend?
Depends. Is your friend O negative or O positive? Well, now it's O negative. Oh, come on, it's not that bad. Pretty good, actually. More players. Who's next?
Run! Get out of here! Please, get out of here! Please, run! Step right up to the wheel of misfortune. The wheel has been around for centuries, but only me and my associate are the survivors.
Associate? I'm not your associate. I'm your boss. I'll deal with you later. Victims! Come closer if you want to spin the wheel.
So, who would like to spin the wheel?
Don't spin the wheel! Don't do it! No! No! No!
Don't mind him. So, we look for certain types of people to spin the wheel. You? You, sir! Would you like to spin the wheel? Let's spin the wheel.
Before you spin the wheel, let's go over the Friday. Number 1, poisonous candy.
Appetizing.
Number 2, bloody body parts.
Not as appetizing.
Number 3, dead stuffed animals.
Stuffed animals are already.
And number 4, me and my assistant's favorite, the back run. You'll find out. What a coincidence, it landed on 4.
Congratulations, sir! You've won the grand prize.
What's the grand prize?
It's a trip.
Trip to where?
A trip to hell!
You say no!
Leave unless you want to spin next.
You want to spin now?
Want to spin?
Do you want to spin? You want to spin now?
My dad's on here somewhere. My dad owns his farm.